Hello again everybody. So in this video I wanted to share with you guys the little pack that I carry around with me when I go out and bike. Now this mostly just contains essential items which I by law have to carry when riding in the Czech Republic and in other EU countries. But it's kind of a good idea to have something like this anyway, because in the event of an accident or something happening it's just really handy to have. So this is just a small little sports bag type thing that I either, if I've got the top box on, I'll chuck it in there, or otherwise I'll tie it onto the rack or something. And like I say, I just have this every time I go out for a ride. So inside here we have a spare bulk kit. Now this is something that I have to carry, it's a legal requirement. But again, quite useful because you've got your spare fuses in there, you've got spare bulbs for everything, so if you do find yourself out and one of the bulbs blows, that's kind of handy to have anyway. Next thing I've got is a first aid kit. Now you should really carry a full kit which has the date and everything on it, because you have to have one that's in date. Now the problem is, at the minute, the one I've got is it's actually for a truck. It's a great big thing. So what I've done is I've got everything from this in there, just not all of it, as in you know, I might have 10 of an item or 5 of an item and I've only got like 2 or 3 instead. But I've still got literally everything you find in a normal first aid kit. So, you know, I've got bandages, I've got plasters, antibacterial wipes, a little pair of scissors in there. I've got the eye wash stuff as well. All the stuff that you'd need in the event of having a little accident and just needing to patch yourself up. I mean, no first aid kit is going to be useful if you have a major accident, but it's here, and if I need it, that's always good. So apart from that, we've got in this little sort of back pocket here documents. So again, this is a legal requirement for me to carry these around. Here in the Czech Republic and in other EU countries, you have to carry the green card of your insurance, which comes with your insurance normally here, and there's another green card in here which is like the registration of my bike as well. And another thing I like to do is just have a little bit of money in here, because if I find myself out and about and I'm running out of fuel and I've forgotten to take my wallet with me, or it's been stolen, or if anything like that happens, I have a little bit of money available. Obviously I never leave this unattended on the bike. I mean, I might if it's locked away or something, but for the most part I'll take this with me when I go. But you know, it's just a little bit of insurance. Whilst I'm out and about, I've got a little bit of money. This is not much. I mean, this is 200 Czech crowns, so it's about £6 British, give or take. So, you know, not a huge amount, but it's enough to chuck a load of fuel in the bike and get me out of trouble. So that's a handy thing to have. And then apart from that, that's pretty much almost it. The only other thing I carry in the front pocket here is just my trusty multi-tool, Swiss Army knife type thing. So obviously, as well as the knives on it, it's got the screwdrivers, and in particular the flathead screwdriver is incredibly useful because that's not it, it's the other side. Because on the Suzuki Vanman, which is my bike, is it going to focus? And the light's pretty bad so you can't see, but the bolt here has this slip which allows you to open it with this, which is handy because the bike's toolkit is located behind this panel. So if you do find yourself at the side of the road needing to do something minor and it's something you can do with basic tools, then I can access that panel and get the tools out and do that basic repair. Obviously, again, anything more substantial you'd require roadside recovery or something, but again, it's just nice to know that you've got all those things available. So that's pretty much it, and this is, as I say, it's my little emergency stroke, safety stroke, good to have pack, and it, yeah, keeps me out of trouble. So I've never actually been pulled over or had any trouble. I mean, my bike's got, I've imported it over here and it's got Czech plates on it and stuff, so usually people don't pay any attention to it anyway, but you know, on the off chance that they do decide to pull me over and start asking questions, I've got all my documentation, I've got all the bits that I should be carrying, so I'm all good. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video, hopefully it was useful to you, and of course, even if you in your country don't necessarily have to carry this sort of thing, I'd highly recommend it because you just never know when these things are going to come in handy. But yeah, as always, please do give this video a like, please do go check out my other videos, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and for now, I'll catch you again soon.